Hello everyone, subsequent to our previous tutorial, in this tutorial we are going to learn about math functions. Math functions are those which help to solve complex math with a simple function. Okay, so let's try on. Echo, I'm going to use the first math function is pi. Okay, save it, open your browser. Here you see we are getting a value of pi. Okay, let's reload once again. Of pi, what is the value of pi? Value of pi is approximately 3.14, which is true. We are getting the value of pi. Let's try another ones. We start writing our HTML code underneath of this closing tag. Okay, so let's do it. Here is 3, header 3, and now we are going to search for a minimum value from a array. Find a minimum value a array. Okay, let's do it. PHP, once again you have to start PHP code like this. Here we are going to echo this. Echo minimum is a function. This is a math function. Here we are going to declare a array. In our array we'll have few value, few element. You can say the first element, for example, 3, 6, 2, 9. Okay, don't forget to close it. Ctrl Shift I for rearranging your code. Once again, just reload this page. You see, find the minimum value from a array. This is our array. In here the minimum value of element is this one. Okay, 2. Let's find the maximum value. The process is very much same. Just instead of minimum, just write maximum, max. Save it once again, reload the page. Yeah, we are getting our maximum. I know I haven't talked about array, don't worry, I'll create one separate video about it. For now, just think of this like you have some multiple elements in one container. For instance, you have a book of 30 pages. Those are pages. These 3, 6, those are pages, and the whole array is the book. Okay, so just think like that. This is an example. Let's echo here. Instead of creating one more PHP tag and HTML tag, we are just going here, find next integer number. Okay, now we are going to find our next integer number by using a function called cell, which will round up a number from float. Okay, so let's try it. Echo cell. Okay, for example, 4.5 is, for instance, 4.5 is a float number, as I told you earlier in my tutorial where I discussed about variables. Okay, different types of variables, and this is a types of float. Here we have a fraction of 4.5, but what this cell function will do is it will give me the next round value. It will round up with 5, not the less, but it will round up at upper level. At upper level has 5, that means after 4 we'll get 5. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, 5. Here I'm going to add a break line. If you know HTML, you know what it means. It will break a line from here, and let me copy this 2 line once again and paste it below here. Here we want to find absolute value of, okay, if you do like this, and if your number is negative, then just reload it. It will give all positive number. Since we are getting absolute number, find absolute number. There won't be any negative number in here. Okay, if you want to learn more about those function, the link will be here. Let me copy this link and paste it here, so you can find all the function easily and learn more about it. For example, let's work with some other function. Round up, we used it. This is the function we used earlier before a absolute value function. If you want to generate a random integer, this is the function. You see, generate a random integer. Let's try it out. This is the syntax you have to use. If you want a random number between 5 to 15, for example, use 5, 15, something like that. Okay, we are going to use it. Okay, let's find a random number. Here, replace abs with rand. This is the function name by which we will get a random number. Okay, once again reload the page. You see we are getting some random number. Once again, if you reload, you'll get another random number which will be unique. Okay, now let's copy this and paste it here. If you have to set a range, then you can do like this. For example, I want a random number from range 1 to 50. Okay, find a random number between 1 to 50. Let's save it and reload the page. Here, find a random number between 1 to 50. Okay, we are getting 36. Wait, let me make a space and dash, so we can easily understand. Yes, we are getting a random number of 21. This is our random number. Okay, on second reload we are getting 19. Every time we reload we'll get a new random number. Okay, here we used cell which find the highest next integer value. Now we are going to use floor for lowest highest, for next lowest highest integer value, next lowest. Okay, this search for next highest integer value number, and here by using floor this will search for the next lowest integer number. Save it, let's try it out, reload the page. Next highest integer number is 5, which is true. 4.5 was the fraction, and the next highest integer number is 5, and next lowest integer number was 4, which is true. Okay, now I want you to go through not all of them, but go through some of the function which is important. You just read the heading of every function and go through them. Just click here, you'll get the description, notes, and you will get some example as well. So I hope you go through them, take some time and learn it. Thank you. See you in next video.